Ziggle TV presents.
For apple, red and sweet. B for bird with wings and feet. C for cat, it loves to play. D for dolphin, splashing away. E for earth, so big and bright. F for frog, it jumps so high. G for giraffe with a long, long neck. H for heart, oh so perfect. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for juice, fresh from my tummy. K for key, it opens doors. L for leaf, in trees it soars. M for mouse, so small and quick. N for notebook, write real slick. O for owl, awake at night. P for pig, so pink and bright. Q for queen, with crown so tall. R for ring, shiny for all. S for sun, it shines so high. T for tree, that touches the sky. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for violin, play again. W for watermelon, juicy and sweet. X for xylophone, with a musical beat. Y for yacht, sailing so free. Z for zebra, look at me. Now we've sung our ABC. Sing along, 1, 2, 3. Now we know our ABC. Sing along and dance with me. Letters big and letters small, we've learned them one and all. ABC, hooray, hooray, let's sing again another day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ziggle TV.